everything Jesus does is out of love. What Jesus did here is out of love. What Jesus does with the disciples, with Mary and Martha, and with Lazarus is all out of love. He can't do anything not out of love. Now listen, this is how John, the gospel writer, writes to a group of Christians, and he explains what it means for God to be love. He puts it like this in 1 John chapter 4, verses 7 through 9. John, who was witness to these events, says this, "Beloved, let us love one another, for love is from God, and whoever loves has been born of God and knows God. Anyone who does not love does not know God, because God is love. In this, the love of God was made manifest. We saw God's love among us, that God sent his only Son, Jesus Christ, into the world so that we might live through him." God is love. And this is how we saw it. We saw it in his Son, Jesus Christ. And Jesus Christ came to show us the love of God so that we then might have life in him. This is a big deal to John, that God is love. You see, it's not that God does a lot of loving things. And so John does not say God does loving stuff. It's not that God does some things that give us loving feelings. He doesn't say that. He says God is love. One of the consequences of that truth is that to say that God is love and everything God does I like are not the same statement. Can I say that one more time? God is love, and everything God does I like are not the same statement. But what is true? What is true is that God is love.